Ulefone is now a new rising star as a smartphone manufacturer for the Chinese market. If sometime officially announced the smartphone with the largest battery capacity of 13,000 mAh found on Ulefone Power 3 Max. Now Ulefone create a new surprise with the latest smartphone carrying the name of Ulefone T2 Pro is ready to be exhibited in the MWC 2018 event held in Barcelona, Spain. Ulefone T2 Pro does not offer full power capacity, but has embedded the latest chip belongs to MediaTek and became the first series in the world of smartphones that use the chip Helio P70 type. For this chip has clock speed reaches 2.5 GHz with architecture for 2.5 GHz Cortex-A53 plus for 2.0 GHz Cortex-A53 and using type of graphics engine GPU Mali G72MP4 so Ulefone T2 Pro can deliver very god-hard performance. What is more interesting for the side of ultraviolet T2 Pro RAM has a capacity of 8 GB type LPDDR4X double channel which has a frequency of 3733 mHz so that it can process data faster so it greatly eases the performance of the processor when running heavy content sharing is very easy. As for the internal memory of Ulefone T2 Pro type 5.1 UFS 2.1 with micro slot capacity of 256 GB.